Pay attention to replace the piston. When disassembling the cylinder, take photos of the skateboard to avoid installation errors in the assembly. First, install the piston to the connecting rod. Then use the piston pin. Fix the piston to the connecting rod. Then install the circlip. Use 7-0 for glue on both sides of the cylinder gasket. Put the cylinder gasket on the connecting rod. Fix the piston ring. Install the cylinder on the piston. Pay attention to the direction of the ring opening. Install the piston ring. Check carefully. The opening of each ring should be staggered. The direction of the ring opening. First, the first ring is 45 degrees to the piston pin axis. Second, the second ring is offset 180 degrees from the first. Third, the oil ring opening is 90 degrees offset from the second ring. The installation direction of the piston ring. When installing, remember that the true gas ring's width, with the word top, should be facing up. Do not install it upside down. When installing, the inner chamfer should be up, and the outer chamfer down. Note that the aluminum gasket and cylinder head gasket look alike, but one is made of aluminum, and the other is paper. Assemble the spring washer. Assemble with the bolt. Apply 7-0 for glue to the bolt. Through the bolt, fix the cylinder and cylinder gasket to the crankcase. Apply grease to both ends of the valve plate groove. Install the valve plate. Install the cylinder head gasket first. Cylinder head gasket. Valve plate assembly, aluminum gasket, valve plate assembly. Valve plate gasket. Through bolts. Fix the above accessories to the cylinder head.